If you're looking for an AI-driven productivity tool, then you're in the right place. Today I'm going to have a look at Spaceduck. I'm also going to have a look at a classic Notion and see what is best for your use case. Okay, so we're jumping into Spaceduck, and Spaceduck is actually an AI-powered auto-organization tool. It's revolutionizing content management by eliminating the tedious tasks of manual organization. Its advanced AI algorithms automatically generate relevant tags based on your content analysis, create descriptive titles that capture the essence of your actual notes, and establish meaningful connections between related pieces of information, which, of course, these are sometimes things that we can't do ourselves. The system works across diverse content types, from even text notes to PDFs, images, and even web bookmarks, creating more of a cohesive knowledge network without requiring much manual intervention. The system continuously learns from your content patterns, which is also a great feature, becoming increasingly accurate at predicting how you'd naturally organize information, making knowledge retrieval effortless and more intuitive. You can also see that it offers one-click summaries, so you can transform lengthy documents, research papers, or even sprawling notes into more concise, actionable summaries with a single click. The AI distills key points while preserving crucial context and insights. You also have audio and video transcription, which of course is fantastic. It instantly converts all of your meetings, lectures, podcasts, and even video content into more searchable text. The advanced transcription engine accurately captures speakers, technical terminology, and even handles multiple languages, which is awesome. It also has information accessibility, so the features work together to make complex information more digestible and actionable, which reduces information overload, and it also helps you quickly extract value from diverse content sources. The last thing over here is their multi-model AI integration. So first of all, they have model flexibility. So you can switch between GPT, Claude, Gemini, and other leading AI models to leverage their unique strengths for different tasks and different content types. You can also engage in dynamic brainstorming sessions, receive research suggestions, and get writing assistance that adapts to your personal style as well as your requirements. It also transforms your static notes into an interactive thinking environment where AI helps you connect your ideas, challenge your assumptions, and even discover new insights within your knowledge base. Alright, we're looking at Notion now. So Notion is an all-in-one workspace. Notion unifies notes, tasks, databases, and projects in one tiny little space. You can create personalized environments for personal or team productivity. You get customizable databases. Create databases with tables, Kanban calendars, and lists. You can design flexible data structures tailored to your unique needs as well as your workflows, and you can manage your tasks, your projects, content, and customer data without needing any prior coding knowledge. Easily, you can also filter, sort, and visualize information to boost team productivity as well as organization. And you get real-time collaboration. So this means simultaneous editing. This is great for large teams that are constantly on the move, always making changes. Even if they are small changes, everyone is in the know because it's real-time updated. So this means multiple users at the same time can edit, update pages, and this is live. As well as commenting and feedback that is given. You can assign tasks and leave comments easily within the platform, and you don't have to do any follow-up emails to ask if this person got that and if they were updated on this. It's all done for you in one space. You can actually also share your workspace, and this keeps teams connected across all of your locations if you have remote teams. It also has a template system, so you can use pre-built templates for project management as well as your notes. You can adapt templates to fit your workflows and as your team needs, and you can reduce setup time with their ready-made organized structures, which is always fantastic. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, there we go. A head-to-head comparison of some of the best software in the industry. If this video was enjoyable, drop us a like to show your support, and we'll see you next time.